In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning and trendy video edits using CapCut, a popular video editing app that's perfect for creating eye-catching content. CapCut offers a range of features and effects that can instantly elevate the look and feel of your videos, giving them that professional touch. Whether you're crafting content for social media, personal projects, or anything else, these steps will guide you through applying those must-have effects to make your videos really pop. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to open the Effects tab within CapCut. This is where you'll find a wide range of options to enhance your video. The Effects tab is your gateway to transforming your ordinary clips into something remarkable. Take your time to explore this space, as it offers a variety of filters and effects, each with its own unique style and vibe. Once you're in the Effects tab, you're ready to search for filters or effects that suit your creative vision. It's a good idea to keep an eye on trends to ensure your edits stay fresh and relevant. Some of the currently trending filters include Vintage, Glow, and VHS. These are particularly popular because they offer a range of aesthetic enhancements that resonate well with audiences today. The Vintage filter can give your video an old-school, nostalgic vibe, while Glow can add a dreamy, luminescent quality. On the other hand, the VHS effect can infuse your content with a retro, grainy texture reminiscent of classic tapes. After selecting your preferred effect, it's time to apply and refine it. You can adjust the intensity of the filter to suit the specific mood you're going for. Maybe you want a subtle enhancement, or perhaps a more dramatic transformation is in order. CapCut allows you to control this aspect effortlessly. Additionally, experimenting with different blend modes can create interesting visuals that either stand out or harmonize more softly with your original footage. To maximize the impact of your video, consider pairing your chosen effects with trending audio or transitions. Audio can significantly elevate the emotional and dynamic elements of your video. Viral edits often succeed because the audio works seamlessly with the visuals. Spend some time matching soundtracks or effects with your visuals for the best outcome. Transitions are another powerful tool. They help guide your audience smoothly from one scene to another, maintaining engagement throughout. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create professional-grade, captivating content that's sure to capture the attention of your audience. Remember, the key is to experiment and find what best complements your vision. Reviewing the final edit and making subtle tweaks until you're delighted with the outcome is also part of the creative process. Enjoy exploring and creating with CapCut, and let your imagination run wild. Happy editing!